Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most polarizing stocks in the market, Meta platforms. Ticker symbol Meta. Once the king of social media, Meta has faced criticism, lawsuits, and massive investments into the metaverse. Yet in 2025, the stock is once again in the spotlight. Should you invest? Let's break it all down. If you enjoy deep dives into big tech and investing, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Origin story and business overview. Meta, formerly Facebook, was founded by Mark Zuckerberg in 2004 at Harvard. It started as a social networking site, but quickly grew into a global giant, acquiring Instagram in 2012 and WhatsApp in 2014, two of the biggest deals in tech history. Today, Meta controls a digital empire. Facebook and Instagram, still core revenue drivers through advertising. WhatsApp, dominating global messaging. Reality Labs, home of VR headsets like Quest and investments in the metaverse. Threads, its X, formerly Twitter competitor, now gaining traction in 2025. Why the surge in 2025? Meta stock has surged nearly 85% year-to-date in 2025, regaining momentum after a tough few years. Key drivers include ad revenue recovery. Digital advertising has rebounded with AI-driven targeting boosting efficiency. AI innovation. Meta launched Llama 3, an open-source AI model that's becoming a major player in generative AI, challenging OpenAI and Anthropic. Cost discipline. After years of metaverse spending, Zuckerberg announced a year of efficiency in 2023, cutting tens of thousands of jobs, improving margins, and restoring investor confidence. Threads growth. Threads is now hitting 200 million monthly active users in mid-2025, challenging Elon Musk's X in the social conversation space. Strengths and competitive edge. Massive user base, over 3.8 billion monthly active users across its platforms. That's nearly half the world's population. AI and advertising. Meta's AI-powered recommendation engines drive stickiness and keep ad revenue strong. Open source AI strategy. By open sourcing Llama, Meta positions itself as the Android of AI, building developer trust while competitors like OpenAI stay closed. Cash flow machine. Meta generates tens of billions in free cash flow annually, funding buybacks, dividends, and ambitious R&D. Risks and red flags. But not everything is smooth sailing. Investors face several risks. Valuation pressure. After a big rally, Meta trades at nearly 40x forward earnings, rich compared to peers. Regulatory battles. US and EU regulators continue to investigate Meta for antitrust, privacy, and content moderation issues. Potential fines remain a cloud. Metaverse. Uncertainty. Reality Labs continues to lose over $10 billion annually, and the consumer adoption of VR remains uncertain. Geopolitical risk. Meta's reach in regions like India and Africa faces scrutiny, with governments questioning the influence of US tech giants. Investor sentiment and market buzz. Wall Street remains divided. Bulls argue Meta is the best AI plus social media play, with strong free cash flow and dominance in digital ads. Bears warn that Meta is still too dependent on advertising, while Reality Labs is a money pit. On Reddit forums like Ask Stocks, retail investors debate whether Meta is a generational buy or an overvalued hype play. Memes often portray Zuckerberg as either the AI visionary or the metaverse villain. Final verdict. Should you invest? Reasons to consider Meta stock. Massive global user base with resilient ad business. AI leadership with Llama 3 and ongoing innovation. Strong balance sheet and free cash flow to weather downturns. Threads gaining traction as a growth lever. Reasons for caution: high valuation relative to peers, ongoing regulatory and legal risks, continued heavy spending on unproven metaverse projects. Bottom line, Meta stock in 2025 represents a high-reward, moderate-risk tech play. It's a cash machine with serious AI upside, but also faces political, regulatory, and competitive risks. If you believe in Zuckerberg's long-term vision, especially in AI and immersive platforms, Meta might belong in your portfolio. If you're risk-averse, you may want to watch from the sidelines. So what do you think? Is Meta still the king of social media and now the rising giant of AI? Or is it just another overhyped bubble stock? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Like this video if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the biggest names in tech and finance. Thanks for watching. This is Next Vault, and I'll see you in the next one.